Hi, my name is El Hernandez. I live in Valledupar. I live with my parents. I'm environmental engineer study. I discuss technology and the environment. Technology in the environment does change because we are used to skin and demanding more from nature. This used to be better without so much technology. Technological advances are extracted from the environment. How to mitigate the environmental damage? With ecological technology, it is an advantage for the environment. We should use renewable energy sources such as solar energy. With the recycling of certain materials or the use of alternative energy sources, we can minimize the current pollution. Environmental pollution is increased more and more because of the irrational use of technologies. From my point of view, technology has helped us to predict forest fires using artificial light, which I consider a good alternative of technology. How do you see the future of our planet? Pollution is the most appreciated effect today. It's time the generation of waste increase and sharing technological activities that generate daily pollution waste are difficult to eliminate. We should recognize that there are very serious problems and these should be corrected very soon. For all this, the United Nations Organization takes necessary measures and invoke all the governments that unite their efforts to preserve and improve the human environment for the benefit of man and his prosperity.